Welcome to the Revampires. This is Emily, and today I've just got a simple Worktable vlog. This is just a snapshot of whatever I happen to be working on that day. This project in particular, as you can see, I've already been working on for a while. She started out as a Toralei Stripe doll from Monster High, but I've been turning her into Bombalurina from the musical Cats. I've already used epoxy sculpt to fill the tail hole in her back, as well as round out the feet to give the illusion that she's wearing dance shoes. And then I painted her body and face with acrylics and a little bit of gouache. Now I'm in the thick of adding the fur, which is what I'm working on today. I painted her scalp according to where I want each color, and off to the side you can see I've got some brushed yarn wefts prepared on a sheet of plastic. Then it's just a matter of peeling them off, cutting them up into small chunks, dabbing on a bit of glue, and holding them in place. Because of the multiple colors and the intricate pattern that I want, this is ending up a very long process. You can see that I've got her on sort of a makeshift styling stand. Her head is stuck on the end of a big paintbrush, and then that paintbrush is stuck through a piece of styrofoam, and then the whole thing is wedged into a mug. So nothing fancy, but it works great. I can't take credit for it though. My mom, who is my partner on this channel, actually put this together so she could make wig caps on another doll head, and I just nabbed it when she was finished. In this white section here, I'm trying to create a part in the hair. So essentially I glue a weft piece laying the opposite side of where I want it, and then fold it back over. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to wait for the glue to dry before you fold it, but sometimes I get impatient. If I'm nervous about how a hairstyle is going, I'll try my best to preemptively style what I've already got so I can get a better idea of how it will end up. And that's what I'm doing here. Hey, it could look worse. At this point, I decide to set the head aside and work on the body, which also needs yarn wefts. Here I'm showing off the epoxy work that I mentioned earlier. It's not bad, but you can definitely tell it was my first time working with this stuff. I move the towel over so I can set the body on a soft surface while I work. The paint's already been sealed with varnish, but I still don't want to risk anything. I apply the wefts to the body pretty much the same way, but since the curves around the leg are much sharper than the scalp, I try to bend and loosen the glue seam on the wefts so it lays more natural. Whoops, don't stick your brush to the towel. Let's clean off that dried glue with some water. The legs are going to be mostly black with patches of gray. I'm trying to use the wefts to echo the look of the leg warmers from the stage costumes. I'm also using them for the shoulder fuzzies and on the arms to give the illusion that she's wearing gloves. Let's just ignore that piece of paint peeling off her shoulder. For the very small pieces, I cut the end into sort of a triangle shape so it looks a little more natural. Or maybe not natural, but more like it's been sewn into something, you know? I think I also want to add some red to the shoulders as well, but I've used up all the red wefts I already prepared. This doll needs a lot of fur, so I've been making them in batches. Oh, Jesus. I'm fine. I just need a moment. Doesn't she look so weird with these wispy bits on her arms? All of the body fur will be cut much shorter once I'm done. At this point, I'm starting to hesitate on my design. See, I really like these gradient areas on her leg where you can see Toralai's original orange skin peeking through, but I know if I don't cover them up, the silhouette won't look right. Normally, Bomba's leg warmers are about knee length. I try to be artsy about it and follow where the black is already painted on her feet, but yeah, it's kill your darlings time. I've got to go higher. I've got some small pieces left, so let's move back up top. Like I said, this is a tedious process, but it's going to be so worth it when she's all finished and fully fluffed. That's not where I wanted that. Whoops. Try again. And I think that's where I'll call it for today. I've definitely made some progress, but I'm also going to need to make more wefts. She's looking like a real doll again. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I wish you luck at your own work table. We definitely have more videos coming down the pipeline, so if you'd like to find your way back, consider subscribing to the channel. Bye!